Hello everybody, we're back again with some activities. So today, take you out, we just been working on sanding down the engine bay a little bit. So I'm gonna sand it down with 600 grit, and I'm just gonna primer it up and then resand everything again. So here's some close-up of the work. Just first stage of sanding, just trying to make it a little bit smoother. Then I'm just gonna run to the store, get some more spray paint, some primer, just to prime it up. And probably, it's fairly smooth right now, so I'm probably gonna maybe some 600 grit sandpaper. So we could just primer up the back, smooth that out, and paint over, and hopefully everything comes out well. The color for this car, I'm not sure yet. Is between, well, I have two colors in mind, so until that's figured out, I'm just gonna leave it primered and then fix this thing back up. So currently the bay is all covered up, all the areas I don't want to get sprayed or covered up. I'm just going to slowly just start from this side over, start priming, and hopefully come out decent. First time doing this engine bay kind of setup, so I'm not really 100% sure, but hey, it has to be better than this when I'm done, I'm hoping. So I'm gonna be putting you guys in time lapse record as I go through the process. So wish me luck. So here's a look of the primered bay. I've already sanded it, gone over it again. So far it looks pretty decent. So maybe tomorrow I'll actually start getting the paint, because I already bought everything, so just gotta paint it up and clear coat it in the same day. So this is how it looks, pretty much done. This is just the primer stage, so it's not bad. So now we're gonna get to working on paint. Okay, so this is the base coat. This is how it came out. Some areas are good, some areas need a bit touch up. I think it's the primer I use. I use the Rust-Oleum Self Edging. For some reason, areas like these, how much you spray seem like the edging primer is coming back out, even though I sanded everything down. So this is the best it's going to be for right now. Eventually I'll get it done professionally. I just wanted the car to look a little bit better. I mean, it's decent, but it's not great. But, you know, it's better than how it was. So this is the clear we're using. Honestly, I think it's a little bit too good for this wonderful paint job I have going on here. But I already bought it, so might as well use it. So I'm going to just spray paint everything down. See if it comes out a little bit better. I did a little bit of touch up on certain areas, but I ran out of base coat, so this is all she wrote. So I'll spraying this, see what happens. Hopefully it comes out decent, and let's go from there. Okay, so that's the first coat. I guess I went a little heavy towards the end. So the first I did a little quick pass. Then I went a little heavy on the 1.5. Let it dry up a little bit, and then about 15 minutes go back and redo it again. For this one, they recommend using a mask, so I do have a mask for this one. Here's the end product. It's not perfect, but pretty good.